Welcome, guys. Thanks for being here. Um, well, first, let me read the chat. Hi, File X is here. Welcome, see it, Said, um, Asa. Hola, mi amigo. Daniel, ¿cómo estás? ¿Todo bien? Life Lives is here. Ángel, bienvenidos. Sopek, mi amigo, my friend. Welcome. Waiting for another buy. Yes, I'm waiting for another buy. Uh, Pablo, pura vida, mi amigo. Now, son, relax. Yes, I was reading some news. Basically, today, sellers feel the massive gap. What we saw here, massive gap. They're so hard. And well, this is the conditions what we have at this point. For what point? Um, well, for the people, because I know many people is living in that zone, near to Dubai, Qatar, Arabia Saudita, Kuwait. Of course, people from Iran, people from Israel, people from there. I I expect everyone here is safe. Um, and well, the your houses, your family. I don't know. Stay good. Because there's so many issues in India, Pakistan, uh, Oman too. So well, I don't know how to say. It's a difficult situation. It's a difficult situation. It's really really difficult. But well, I hope everyone into this channel is stay safe. The war. I know it's really difficult. I don't understand. I don't understand the meaning of war. Here, in my country, even we don't have an army, so it's at Afghanistan. Afghanistan, yes, Afghanistan or Pakistan. I don't know. So even by my side, I don't understand the meaning of war. This beautiful country in Costa Rica, thanks God, we don't have army. Um, One guy asked me, it's just, I'm not going to give any analysis of the situation, the decisions for attack Iran or whatever. So so yes, it's a really difficult situation. Like, you don't have army? Yes, we don't have army. Just the normal police. So well, this is the situation. What we have. Um. So well, I'm going to use the funded account today. Why? Because these the data center who works with Xellion uh suffer many damage yesterday or Saturday. I don't think the data center what Xellion is using is located in U A I UAE. Uh, United Arab Emirates. So so well, um, this is the information what I have. So let's try to see if the price can touch the 52.65 again. Bro, why gold looks like this? Do you see the news? Ranger, do you see the news or no? I'm from Costa Rica. I'm from India. So okay, I'm from Costa Rica. This guy Range is from India, just in case. Hello, Marcelio. Has the enter has been taken? No. Entry sun. This is the entry sun. Well, our army is the sluts, our navy is the structure, our force is the scarab Macaos. Exactly. We have many things here. The only difference. My account. Okay. I miss you, Rito. Hello. Okay, Sebastian is here. Has entry has been taken now? No. Yes, I'm planning to buy. Let's see what we have here in the next positions. So, well, guys, again, um, we have difficult positions, difficult conditions this week. So, try to understand. We have different environment about around the world, and this is going to affect our trading. If you don't know why the charts look so volatility, it's better to stay away. Uh, Range, to be honest, if you don't know, just stay away of the chart. It's better. Buenos días, Rito. Buenos días, mi amigo. Rito has been watching all your videos over weekend. I can see understand how. Perfect, my friend. So I'm seeing some reports for some brokers who are well, anti-5 is working good. So that's I think the problem is when the so well looking like price wants to defend the 53. So let's see. Una duda. ¿Esperas que el precio llegue al amarillo? Espero que sí, esperaría que sí. Aún no estoy muy seguro, pero bueno. Ya nos dio dos confirmaciones, la acaba de confirmar, entonces punto de entrada podríamos estar hablando 52.70. I both the 52.80, but when I saw the price coming back, ITP secure. Now the price went up again. Perfect, my friend. For Sam, that's great. Good job. So, well, guys, just to be clear, today I'm going to use the Funder account. The Funder account. I'm not going to trade with Selling today. Why? Because they are having issues with the Cellium app. Because the one of the data centers who provide the service them to the charts and everything and the beautiful app was hit for I don't know for a missile. I don't know how to I don't know how to explain it. Missile, yes, missile in English. So Selenium continue working with MT5, but again, remember I don't like MT5 for came here and share the options and everything. So for that reason, we continue with the funded account today. Okay, probably tomorrow, as the reports that Selenium told me, they will continue working. In the next hours, the Selenium app will be available with no issues. But yes, the problem is for the data center was hit for some of data centers was hit for a missile. You know, like sounds like by my side looks sounds really difficult. You know, like I don't understand the idea, or I can imagine. You know, the people who was working there, um, what happened with them. But that's the thing. You know, as Selling continue working with no issues with the withdrawals. If you want to withdraw your money, there's the option. If you want to add money, it's the option. It's working. So if the just the only option, it's the Selling app. The one was what I'm using for share for do the streaming. So the options is working. MP5 is working with no problems too with selling. Okay. Well, I just want to clarify that what I changed this for today. Let's continue with the funded account. Um, Remember, if you want to work with the funded account, just go into the prompt.match.com. There you will see what is the option or the best option for you, according what do you want, according your money for sure, according your experience, and according the comments what you can check. The link is into the description, and the link is into the chat, guys. So let's be ready. uh let's be ready. It's coming back to the bison. Yes, it's coming back to the bison. Okay, so let's be ready. One candle for 150 pips. Okay. Let's see if we can see a retest at least for 52.75. Jesus Christ. True. So, well, reaction into this 52.82. Trump will speak soon. Let's see if we can take something before Trump, guys. I'm trying to find a good position because I know this candle looks little candles, but it's for example, now it did 3,000 pips in 5 minutes. Um, well, let's see. Fadi, hello, my friend. Welcome. Everything is good. Everything is good by my side. Here, it's a very shiny day, beautiful. But I know many people. It's having a really difficult times. And well, that's difficult. For today, we will see. For these weeks, we will see a really difficult situation. Snowing in Alberta, good. Well, I think most of the countries here in America, good. In Europe, I think the same. Well, Ukraine suffering. Well, the situations here, it's I don't know many people. It's dying. Basically, as you can see, the market continue with no with nothing. We continue. Um, Everything continue. Everything is continue. Whatever it happens, um, the market will continue. Trump coming to speak right now. Let me find the transmission. Jesus Christ. Say Trump speech now. So, logic of the entry. I think I already explained, why we got this. I already explained, the logic of this trade. I don't know, 15 minutes ago. To the podium, yes. We are not going to take any position at this point, guys. Why? Because these whatever if Trump say some, it will say he's going to say crazy things, right? So probably it will affect the the chart. Mm, Jesus Christ! But again, guys, the meaning of war, I don't understand. Uh, because it's every country apply the the rules what we have here in this country with no army. Nothing of these things will happen. But no, they prefer to invest money in arms, weapons, army instead to healthcare, education. But well, these conditions is the conditions what we have. That feeling of the one country feels superior, one country um, thinks they can attack other countries is the reason for they have an army and they will continue, and we will continue for the rest of our life seeing this type of things. uh so well, the people like us, guys, is just stay here, try to try to try to survive, try to survive to the market conditions, and that's all. Well, and the thing is, again, guys, the market, whatever it happens to the 800 people here, the market will continue. Whatever it happens with the United States, whatever will happen with the Iran to Israel, Russia, Ukraine, China. With those countries, whatever it happen, the market will continue moving with no stop. Um, for that reason, behind me, you can see the phrase of this channel. You need to respect your money, guys. Respect your money. Respect your money. How you can respect your money? Take the good positions with information. Take understand the information. Understand the reason why the market is moving. Understand with this type of charts, you need to reduce the lot size. You can take 4 or 5 entries in this type of days because you will lose the your conditions. Use the stop losses, of course. The stop loss is our best friend. Um, for example, on Friday, one guy contacted me for X country. I'm not going to say the country, and telling me, my God, my friend, I need support. And I said, like, okay, well, first, the support here, the WhatsApp is not for support. It's just for the signals. Okay, and explain him like well, he explained me like I have an account for around. Well, let me find the. Here is the information here. So they have almost $10,000. 10,000. $10,000, guys. Okay. And I explained this situation on Friday. And I told him probably because he wants to hold the positions. What position? These positions. Okay. So you can see they are holding some positions there with no stop loss. So, so tell me, guys, what happened with this account today? What happened with this account today? Open another trades, and that's all. $10,000 for no use stop loss. $10,000 for don't use stop loss and don't accept a lose for don't accept the for don't accept the when I tell you guys like close your position, it's because you need to close your positions. That's all. As simple as that. Easy. Close it. Close it. If we touch in a stop loss, don't hold the positions in negative. But this is a hard example to clarify how you can lose $10,000 just because you don't follow instructions. And that's all. In one session. But what happened here? For example, here, he was in a $8,000 when I told him close the positions because the market conditions will give you um, a gap or a surprise weekends because we don't know what is going to happen tomorrow with the war and I explain him and well and today just zero $10,000 just for whole positions in negative, guys. So this is the idea of this channel. You need to understand. Uh, you need to understand first. It's a really bad idea, to hold positions in a short positions. For that reason, the name is short. Short. What is short? Is a sell position. So for that reason, people call it short. Okay, I'm trying to explain it easy because I know some people they are slow. They're slow how because they don't understand the long position. It's different, and if you want to hold your long position, that's okay. Try to do it, of course. With it depends of the conditions and everything, but you can hold a long position if you have the enough money. For example, probably if these guys if this guy close the positions on Friday and then open a long positions, they will recover the money and getting profit with no issues. Is he alive? Yes, he's alive. I would like to register with your BIP. Okay, perfect, my friend. Just contact me by WhatsApp. It's a lifetime subscription for $169 for Telegram, my friend. Okay. But well, it's a good example. Uh, it's a it's a good example to how you can watch the the account for just don't use the just don't use the stop loss. It's a market consolidating. Yes, it's a consolidation because Trump is talking. Range. I don't know what you're talking about, to be honest. SK is here. It's alive still. Salute him. Okay, you're a good trader. Thanks, my friend. I like your analysis. Yes, thanks, my friend, for the support. I've blown 5,000 account and it felt worse. I think if that luckily I asked ChatGPT and it's still not too late. Sam not trade Sam not trades. I'm losing a lot of money. I'm losing a lot of money when I was starting. I remember I lose the worst feeling and I always And I always explain like the worst decision was hold the or invest my money in Luna and Anchor protocol was the really bad decision. I lose a lot of money there. But the problem is how fast I lose that money. You know, it was for around less than 24 hours. I lose that position. It was the worst day of my life. But well, I'm recovering and now we are here. I'm a hair's not working. How your friend can handle things he lose? To be honest, I don't know how he's handling 10,000 losing in one session just for don't follow instructions, don't follow instructions. Because I told him close the position now. It's pretty simple. Close the position now. And he don't want to close it. And that thing happens. That thing happens. And I think it was really clear. It was really, really clear for it was really clear for explaining like my friend, this is not the short and clear. I want to say it was short and clear. Short and clear. This is what I that was the what can I do? Close it. Are you sure? And I said like no reason to hold during the weekend. No reason to hold negative during the weekend. And he expect to the prices touch the 50 to 20 that type of things. Well, now everyone know the history. Some people is some stubborn, like they don't want to understand. Like you need to close your position. Range. To be honest, I don't care about XM. I don't use it. I don't know why you're asking me about this broker here because I don't use it. I think down drain. You should be share it and will be made more profit club. I don't know. Then he explained me like there was the second or third account losing in 5 years. And then I explain, okay, if you want to learn and receive support, my strategy just go into the Telegram or into the Discord. It's $219. And he told me no, I don't have money. And I told him, okay, you have money to lose, but not for learn. So that's your first problem. That's your first problem because you have money to lose, but not money for investing yourself and investing knowledge, invest in someone who gives you support. But I think many people have many money for lose money, but not for learn. Any chance to back to the 34? No chances to go there. Where did you learn trading by yourself or for someone? For someone, my friend. I learned the basic things for trading. For trading, break of a structure, resistance support, the trends for one guy in Colombia. But I pay for that knowledge. I pay for that knowledge, and then I generate my own strategy, and then I generate my own point of view. I generate my point, everything by myself, But first, I understand the basis, and I pay for that knowledge. When when I lose the almost all my money when in cryptos, I pay him and say, yeah, I'm tired of losing. I'm tired of losing, Mr. President. So um, then I pay for learn. I understand, you know. But most of the people don't like to pay. Most of the people don't like to learn, even if they have a many information for free. Many information for free in YouTube. Many information for free. Telegram, many books for free and PDF for many options. Um, but they don't like to learn this. They trade trading as nothing. Well, for that reason, they receive that results. So well, how much you earn for trading? Really good, Mm, really good money for my house, for my car, for living every day of this beautiful profession. I earn enough. I have learned a lot from you. Thanks, boss. 5 minute scandal is safe and starting with me and lost before a few. Perfect. Okay, when entry gambling, yes, people trade trading as gambling because they don't invest in themselves. The knowledge and the information. It's really important. Maybe there is some books you can advise. Yes, I have really good books. Let me find one because I forget the name. I did some recommendations into the Discord, and this is one of the good. You can read one. Maybe there is some bugs. Okay, Alpha Nice, I already answer you. When or where is your entry signal? I'm waiting for Donald Trump, guys. I'm waiting for Donald Trump. He is still speaking. He is still there. Trump is speaking. For that reason, I'm not taking any position. There is Trump here. Here is Trump. Here is Trump. For that reason, I'm not taking any position. Okay, I think it's done, but he will continue speaking. I don't know. How do you detect sell buy sums? It depends of the volume sums, my friend. How I can register you? I want to, but I don't know. Can you help me? Sure, my friend. Just go into the WhatsApp, share the information there. If you want to apply with $169 lifetime subscription, is not for free, just in case. Okay, so be clear of that. So well, so guys, I'm going to eat. Long time to see you, my friend Hito. Nice to see you here. Thanks for the ones who advised me from Squill Talk. I'm going to eat. Then I'm going to go back. Okay, let's wait for. I'm waiting for Donald Trump. So let's see what happened. Okay, I'll be back in 15 minutes. Stay there. Comment your point of view, but stay chill because Donald Trump is talking. Okay, guys, I think it's done. So let's prepare the long position. Okay, so okay, let me read the chat. What is your opinion about U.S. oil? And to be honest, my friend, I'm listening to some theories. Like first, Trump secure the Venezuelan oil, and then he attacks Iran um for the Hormuz, because it's a probability to Iran take um a position for the Hormuz. um and it makes sense, like Trump secured the productions for Venezuelan oil, then for if in the future they have problems with the Hormuz, Estrecho de Hormuz. I don't know how to say in English. Estrecho. The Strait of Hormuz, I think. Just in case. So the prices will increase too much if the Strait of Hormuz will close by Iran. Okay, but it depends for of Iran. Okay, let's see. This moment, waiting. How can I get your signal after joining selling with your link? First you need to share me the deposit, and then I will give you the access, guys. The option is just by WhatsApp. Just share me the information by WhatsApp, the deposit and everything, and I will give you the access with no problem, my friend. Dulmi, Dulminiao, Dulmi. I'm going to tell you Dulmi. Looks like a shooting star. Yes, shooting star. Why? Because it tests the 5325. A pressure Dulmi. I will wait for your message. I don't think I'm going to reach the target today. Let's see. I'm waiting. Pure patience, guys. Days like today. It's pure patience, guys. We may not trade today. Let's see. If we got the retracement, yes. If not, we are out of the suns. We are out of the suns. If the price come back to the sun, I will apply a long position. If the price go to the sell zone, I will apply the long position. It's pure patience. For that reason, I'm explaining today the history about one of my viewers today. He lose $10,000 just for don't follow instructions, guys. Okay. So I hope the 900 people here can follow instructions, have the patience to stay quiet. Don't go into any positions without confirmation, of course. I really want to open a position near to 52.17, but the reaction was not the best one. It did the reaction 52.82. So, well, Bro, buddy, how long did you take become profitable? How much did you lose before becoming unprofitable? Um, some thousands of dollars, my friend. Some thousands of dollars. I lose many money in trading. Well, around 2 years and a half. And then selling, okay. I think go went to okay, buddy. Okay, I already answered it. Around 2 years and a half with pure resilience, pure constance, pure practice. That's the thing that many people don't understand. Trading it's a process, and it's not a happy process. That's the reality. It's not a happy process. A lot of emotions, a lot of pain traits, a lot of really good traits. Yes, trading is not a happy place. Some people think it's easy. Some people think it's different and everything, but no, it's do you try multiple strategies or you're stuck in one way? First, as I told you guys, I I invest in my knowledge, so I pay to one a really good trader for teach me the basic things in trading, basic things. Well, support, resistance, order blocks, these type of things, and then I just continue by myself testing some strategies, and then I found the volume sum, volume sums today. Um, goal is always range before a big move. Yes, es un proceso de reinventación. Exacto, correcto. Your profit and loss portfolio is not visible today. Remember, I change it every month. So today we are in with zero trades. At this moment, I'm not taking any position. So the chart is clean. Esperaría que baje al menos 52.77, 52.78. Veremos. What is the logic of the entry point? This is the volume by some. Volume by some. I try to work at least 1.2, Joshua. If I use 100 pips stop loss, I will try to find 200, 250 pips profit. Before I appear, trust me, I reverse, and when you chase me, I pushing you. One eye. Sarah, sorry, but I don't understand the last question. Yo ando comenzando un mes, llevo aprendiendo, pero muchas cosas como hacer revenge trading, overtrading o cerrar posiciones por pánico, por no leer bien la tabla, ya las aprendí a las malas. Y Bosu, Bosa, y seguiré aprendiendo de eso. Revenge trading siempre va a estar, overtrading siempre va a estar, y cerrar posiciones por no holdear las posiciones en positivo siempre van a estar también. Esos sentimientos hay que aprender a controlarlos, son los primeros que se tienen que controlar y son los más difíciles, pero de la gente no le gusta, no le gusta aprender, no le gusta invertir en aprender, entonces no les gusta leer tampoco. Entonces, sí, es difícil, es complejo. Ese es un libro ahí que les dejo que pueden poner bien. When are you gonna deposit again? Deposit for what? I'm holding for buy. Perfect. Me too. Guys, the price is there. It's stock. It was so aggressive some hours ago. Now I'm still holding. Probably today exists a possibility to don't take any position. Why? Because not because I want to just skip the session. No, it's because the you won't be in trading again, right? Right? I don't understand what you are talking about, Truce. If you are talking about my main account is still there with no problems. My main account will continue there, same as last Friday. Okay, same balance, 10,000, 24. The last confirmation was the last withdrawal for 3050. That's all. If that is your questions, the question is answered. See, we're holding by. Yes, we're holding. We have problem with also with selling. Yes, remember. Today we're having issues because well, the one of the headquarters for Celion, it's in UA in Arabic, United Arabic States. So well, this data center is having problems with this. So that is the main reason. That is the main reason. So if you want to working with the Celium right now, just link your account with MT5 and it will continue working with no issues. But with Celium Trade app, they're having some delays. They're having some issues. It's a must. We need to understand. You know, these. Well, no one thinks the data center will affect, but well, that thing happens. That thing happens. So, so that is the reason. ¿Alguien idioma español? Sí, mi amigo, dime. Dime, mi amigo. Edo X. Um, that was for you. They're having some issues with Celium just because the provider for them suffered an attack in the Middle East. Well, your patience. Probably in the next hours we will continue working with Celium with no issues, guys. Your voice is showing, echoing, echo. Hopefully everything is okay now. How are you, Spartic? Well, I'm good and good. Can I buy or not? Nope. I'm waiting. Trust again. You lost 10,000 in one day. That's 30x more than trading account, my friend. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. I already showed the account continues same as the last Friday. But well, I remember you're a teenager and probably your English is not that good. Probably you don't understand the information what I'm talking about. So I'm going to be patient with you. Okay. But Some imagines what I show for the people was for the one guy in WhatsApp. Not by my side. Just in case, probably that's the confusion. Well, if someone um but yes, it's good if we track 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame is just for the point of entry. But I've been with you for 2 months. Yeah, for that reason, I don't understand your questions. What you are telling the people I'm losing $10,000. I don't understand. No sense. It didn't happen, and I already showed the account for Celio. Continue the money there with no problems. Thanks, Star Vibes, for helping me there, giving the information. Careful, they want to dump gold hard around 48. When it start to pump there, it's still a lot of longs. Yes, probably yes, but at this moment I don't think the price will go to the 48, to be honest. Bueno, el precio está cayendo, así que esperemos a ver qué pasa. Ujú. 25.90 es una opción. Santa Isabel, okay, by now it's sell. Guys working. I'm still there. Let's see what happened. The ones who are asking guys into the WhatsApp, remember the Telegram signals is not for free. It's $169 lifetime subscription. Most of the time, I would say 90% of the time, at least 2 entries per day. Nowadays, it's difficult for clarify any entries and everything. So I'm working as best as I can to provide 2 entries per day. Um, but well, hopefully everyone understand. Provide signals to take the trades. It's difficult because of the crazy conditions what we are seeing, guys. Okay, just remember it's not for free. It's $169. Para los que hablan español igual, las entradas son en inglés, pero es un inglés bastante coloquial, bastante sencillo de entender. Eh, es buy or sell now y listo. Puntos de entrada, que bueno, de eso se entiende bastante bien, los TPs y demás. Ujú. Can hear your voice clearly, sir. Uh, Guys, if you want to, can you hear me good or not? Oh, it's like difficult to understand me. ¿Qué considera mejor? ¿Abrir 10 entradas de 0.1 escalonadas o abrir una de 0.01? Eh, yo recomiendo dos, máximo tres entradas per trade. Ujú. Entonces, depende mucho, digamos, de, del nivel de cuenta, pero si es 10 entradas de 0.01 escalonadas, no. O sea, toma un punto de entrada, de ahí 0.05, por ejemplo, y de ahí pues se va, ¿verdad? Eso depende mucho de directamente de, de su gusto, pero dos, tres entradas ya, suficiente, no más. Yes, it's not regulated by the EU or the FCA. Exactly. It's not. Your voice is echoing. So everyone has a coin or not? I hear you really good. Okay, perfect. For tell me buying, please. So guys, I think at this moment the price will continue like this. Um, Not too much to do. We are seeing a consolidation, but that consolidation is for around 300, 2,000 pips. Um, we believe in you, sir. Thanks, my friend. I'm going to wait this candle, and that's all. If this candle don't give us a nice retracement, I come back to Tokyo session for the people into the Telegram. But that's all. You know, as you can see, the price fall, complete the gap. I was expecting a retracement around 52.70, but the price will continue. Yo aproveché en vender en 53.96. Está perfecto. Muy bien, muy buena venta. Igual, tome los parciales, ponga su break even, que depende mucho de la escalada que se dé en las próximas horas. Puede que tengamos o vayamos road to los 6,000. Can we sell now, sir? No, no, my friend, don't sell. Um, so well, guys, by my side, that's all. That's all. Not too much to do today. Unfortunately, we got some high impact news. The war situation. Let's expect for the rest of the week. We got this situation will be good. Well, remember, if you want to work with a prop firm, just go into the promformatch.com. There you will see what is the best option, what is the best discount according your knowledge, according your wallet, of course, according your what you are looking for, instant funding, phase one, phase two, phase three. It depends of you. Before apply any challenge or instant funding, read the rules, read the instructions, read the comments. And of course, if you like the experience with the prop firm, go there and share your experience. If you don't like it, just go there and share your experience too, with no problems, guys. Okay, so remember that. Let me read here. How long have you been trading for? 6 years, my friend. Have you scheduled your entry? Good night. Okay, perfect. I ask you, what is in the $169 or actually Australia? How can I pay him? I'm from Germany. So yes, my friend, for the Telegram signals, just go there. It's a lifetime subscription. That means it's just one payment, right? It's just one payment for the rest of your life. I don't going to ask you, for example, the next month for again the payment. No, it's just one payment. Two for entries per day. I try Nasdaq, Dow Jones, Gold, Bitcoin for experience. It depends of the conditions and everything. Nowadays it's difficult. This week probably we will have less signals due to the conditions what we have. But well, probably the next weeks we will find to the normal conditions of the two, three entries, two, four entries per day. Okay, so it's a lifetime subscription. There I give the orders with no problems. A point of entry, stop loss, TPs, the moment when you need to do the break even, these type of instructions. Of course, avoiding the noise of of the of the I forget the idea. So well, it depends of the market conditions. We never had four signals per day. Yes, long time ago, and I don't trade the 4 days, four signals per day. Some days yes, some days no. Most common is just two entries or three entries. But in the beginning, it was a four signals with no issues. Nowadays, a day, unfortunately, we got these conditions, and probably if I provide the four signals, we will have a really difficult trade. So two four entries per day is the expectations since this channel started. Nowadays, again, for that reason, I'm doing the claim. Nowadays it's difficult. Nowadays it's difficult. I'm trying to do my best, but well, the conditions really hard, really really hard. But well, this I was thinking, this is a problem if I take a trade or not. But nowadays many people is thinking like they are afraid. They are afraid for um what can happen today in their houses, like a missile or something can hit them. That's a real problem. That's a real problem, not the if we take an entry today or not. So well, let's pray for that people. Let's pray for this situation will be um will finish as soon as possible. Let's pray for our life. um the the main problem in our life is we don't open a trade today. Let's pray for that. So well, guys, um I was thinking that people, let's pray for them. Well, if you want to receive more signals by Telegram or Discord, just contact me by WhatsApp. It's a lifetime subscription for $169. Hopefully, everyone is okay. Difficult situation, difficult everything here. It's crazy. Markets will continue in a crazy conditions. Um, let's expect better conditions tomorrow. Let's expect better conditions um, this week. And of course, everyone to trade today in Tokyo session. But let's see what happened in Tokyo session. Okay, guys. See you soon. Take care. Um, and if you think it's a problem we don't trade today, thinking the other people thinking of every minute they're waiting for a missile or something like this. So well. See you soon, guys. And thanks for the support. Back tomorrow in New York session, and back tomorrow here and then sorry, back tomorrow in New York session. I have made the $7,000 in 3 days following you. Uh, YouTube, my friend, thanks for your support. Thanks for the reward too. I appreciate that. Thanks, and thanks for being part of important um, part of our community. See you guys.